Alright, well here we go. Beginning of the X-FORCE repair. Gonna be a meter here. Customer has requested a doorknob. And I see we had a bad imbalance here. 200 ohm resistor just totally smoked bad. So I'm going to replace the combiner. I see we have one 10 ohm gone, another 10 ohm gone, so that means this transistor and this transistor are probably shot. Customer did send 2 other transistors with it, but I'm going to have to pull all the transistors and check all of those. I'm going to check all the capacitors. I'm going to check everything. I'm going to replace these. The thing had DEIs in it, and HGs were dropped right into it. This is improper tune for the HGs. So there was a big imbalance going on, and it smoked it. So anyway, I'm going to try to do something here too. I don't really like that very much. I'm going to check the inductors, see what the value is on those. And to do this correctly, I'm going to have to remove the power supplies. I'm going to remove the board and get it done, which means I'm going to have to remove the fan. So basically I'm going to have to dismantle the amplifier. But anyway, that's where we're going to go. And we're going to put variable voltage right here, so he'll be able to see what volts he's running, and he'll be able to variate it if he would like. And anyway, that's it. So I'm fixing to get started ripping this thing apart, and we're going to see how it goes here. Some other things I don't like is like that burn up wire right there. Probably going to replace all these also. It just looks bad. So anyway, we're going to get going here, and we're going to get this thing back in top-notch working order once again with the HG tunes. So alright, y'all take care. Another X-FORCE just bit the dust, and it wound up here. This is Alley Cat, rural Alabama, Fat Cat Amps, and I'm gone.